This is a two-room condo unit in Hyde Park Residence. The design concept is modern contemporary with a grand feel yet meeting the functionality.
We designed the house mainly to make it look more spacious. We built a shoe cabinet for them, paired with a wall of T-mirror design. For both rooms, we choose the wallpaper and curtain for owner. Bronze glass panel separate kitchen and living area. It makes the living area more outstanding.
To create the elegance, luxury, and romantic feeling in this tiny unit, we choose brown color skin tone to tone down a little bit the whole ambience. We utilize T-mirror to enlarge the space. Then a TV feature wall to match with T-mirror. The monochrome color of wall has contrast with the theme to brighten up the ambience. I'm Jenny.
I'm Elvin.
Once a customer, always a customer.